Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I've been on here recording anything. This feels kind of strange. I'm gonna try to be back for good this time, and I know I said that the last time, but yeah, I'm gonna do a closet clear out series. I'm moving, or I'm in the process of moving, and I need to get rid of some of my clothes because I have too much. I stay shopping and I have nowhere to go, and I don't go anywhere. So I need to go through them, and I also need to switch my closet, my wardrobe over from summer to fall, winter. The weather hasn't been so bad here in New York, but it's New York. Let's just get into this closet clear out because it's gonna be a long video. And yeah, this is the pile that I need to get through today. It's not all clothes. There's a bin there that held my fall stuff, my fall/winter stuff and that is just a rack.
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be let down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting?
Yeah, this is the pile. It's a gigantic pile of clothes. Some of this stuff is stuff that I bought to resell on my Depop. The first thing is this set. Something in this pocket. Yes, it's the belt. This is a set from Target. I'm gonna keep this one, so that's my first keep. This is also a skirt that I haven't gotten a chance to wear. This is the skirt. It's pretty see-through, but it's long. These look cute in the fall with boots. I'm trying to see if I find boots so actually I can't find any at the moment because everything is just everywhere. I got this one from Target last year and I never worn it. I got it in the kids section. I don't know. I liked it at the time, but I feel like it's a bit young. I thrifted this and I decided that I was going to keep it, but it doesn't fit over my chest, so I'm going to put this back in the sell pile. This skirt, I haven't actually tried it on. I thrifted this recently. Yeah, this one is like a cute little black basic skirt, and we all need one of these in our closet, so I'm definitely keeping this. These are my pants from Abercrombie. I'm definitely keeping these. They're just black skinny jeans. I love Abercrombie jeans. They make jeans well, and I love their jeans because I can get them in my length. I got this from Target. It was really cheap. It's a size 4, and I usually am a size 2 in their jeans, but they're a little bit tight. I guess that's fine. I'm gonna keep these because if not, I can return them back to Target.
I always knew just how I felt. Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. Why am I always getting so attached?
Anywhoosies, I thrifted this really lovely set, and I'm gonna see if I can get the skirt shortened and maybe the top cropped a little bit more to make it look nice, because I love the material. It's 100% linen, and I love the pattern on the material. I think I'm gonna do a thrift haul because I have so much. This skirt is my basic tennis skirt. I don't know if it fits, but I always keep these. I love this skirt. I was actually looking for this one to see if I would I would actually wear it. I thrifted these a few years ago, but I have never worn this top, so I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile and come back to it. I thrifted this. Yes, I'm definitely doing a thrift haul. I thrift too much. I thrifted this one because it reminds me of like the Chanel 1995 runway, and I think I want to crop this a little bit, maybe move the pockets up, but I love this little detail here with the pockets. but I need it to be a little bit shorter so it would be more flattering and not so like I'm going to work in the 90s or something like that. But I love this shirt.
Different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge, yeah. Bet that you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right, yeah. I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, say oh yeah, we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash.
I thrifted these a few years back and I've kept them because I love tweed, and when I first thrifted these skirts it was too big. Well, this skirt, it was too big for me, and now it's too small for me. But I love the color and the tweed and the length, the mini skirt, but I don't want to get rid of it. I feel like at this point it's nostalgic, so I just keep it in my closet.
I can't pretend I don't need you. I can't pretend I don't love you. I can't pretend I don't miss your touch. I want you so bad. I can't go cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you. I came back for you. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could take it back into someone I never had. I want you so
I thrifted this vintage Ralph Lauren dress. The color is not really my favorite, but the style of the dress is. This part here does not fit at all. The zipper does not want to go up, so just so sad. So I'm gonna have to like get rid of this one. I'm gonna list it on my Depop. It's so cute, but I'm gonna have to sell that one. I might do like a separate video for like dresses, because I have a lot of dresses, so you might see that again if you do stick around.
I can't pretend I don't need you. I can't pretend I don't love you. I can't pretend I don't miss your touch. I want you so bad. I can't go cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you. I came back for you. Maybe it's better if I never love.
So the bed is clear. I can see the bed, but I don't think I did a good job, because that's my maybe pile. It's not big. That's my keep pile, which is too big. That's my get rid of pile, which is too small. But this is my sell pile, which is like the biggest. It's bigger than the other two that I'm not keeping. Yeah, I'm gonna tackle these two racks. Some of this, nothing on this one is gonna go, because I started through this last week. These are some new stuff that I got from Abercrombie that
Red lipstick.
got this dress from Yes Style, and I thought it was gonna be like the perfect dupe to a silky dress. This part here it needs more fabric because it doesn't fit over my chest. Everywhere else fit except for like this part. It's just made a little bit strange and funny. So I thought that I would just redo the top part. I do have a sewing machine that I need to put to good use. I thought that I could redo the top part and just turn it into like the silky dress. Maybe make it look more like a silky dress. I'll still link it down below if you guys are interested, if anybody's watching this video.
Red lipstick always looks good when you try to fake a smile. Glitter dress makes me feel cute when I'm trying not to cry. I'll take a picture in my bedroom, then post it online. Tag location is LA. I'm living my best life. Can't win this game, pretty or insane. Can't win, still play pretty or nah. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,500 friends online. Then why do I find myself all alone tonight? Honesty never looks good when you try to wear a lie. No makeup won't make me cute when I'm trying not to cry. The internet adores me, always standing by my side. They just think I'm in LA, so nobody has stopped by. Can't win this game, pretty much insane. Can't win, still play pretty much nah. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,500 friends online. Then why do I find myself all alone tonight? On the screen, baby, you're so happy. Say you wanna be like you, be loved like you, yeah. On the screen, baby, you're so happy. Say you wanna live like you, live free like you, I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,500 friends online. Then why do I find myself all alone tonight? Live like you, live free like you, yeah. Like you, be loved like you, yeah. Live like you, live free like you, yeah.
Okay, so it turns out I wasn't recording at home and I was here talking this whole time. I'm watching Jackie Hyena. So yeah, I managed to, this is some of my summer stuff that I'm starting to pack away, but I managed to hang the stuff up. That's pile there. Move this out the way. Yeah, that's the pile. I think I'm gonna go through that, but I'm gonna go through it off camera. I might do a video on it. I don't know. I might just do a TikTok. That seems kind of cool when I come back later. So this here is all stuff that I might keep. I still have to go through my dresses because I have a lot. I have so much dresses. But yeah, this is stuff that I'm definitely keeping. I hang some of my knits, but I'm rethinking it because they're gonna get damaged. I don't like hanging my knits. And this is some bottoms here that I need to find hangers for and put away. And these are some of my knitwear that I need to find place to put them. I am extremely tired and my blood sugar is low. So I am, let me take off my glasses because I look weird. I am gonna stop here for today and go find something to eat because I'm probably hungry. My light looks so weird behind there. Okay. That's it for today. come back tomorrow for part 2 if I post it tomorrow, which I'm going to try to do. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You go to my head, I wanna play it again. You go to my head, I wanna play it again.